Michael here. I just wanted to let you know that I'm going to actually be doing a rebranding of the channel, and I'm still going to talk about digital marketing and business, but mainly it's going to be about coding and really just how to build scalable web apps. Anything that has to do with coding, HTML, JavaScript, CSS, frameworks like React and Vue. And the thing is, I'm really just passionate about coding. I'm still into digital marketing and, you know, content creation, content marketing, lead generation, talking about those topics. But I'm mainly the channel is going to be about coding. It's really my passion, the thing that I love to do. I love to learn coding concepts, like to actually sit in code. I like creating projects and doing stuff like that. So yeah, it's going to be a rebranding of the channel, but I'm still going to talk about digital marketing because it's still important. Because if you have a web app, if you have an application, whatever it is that you have, you still have to know how to market it. You still have to know how to generate customers and create demand and do all that for your product, your app, your software product, whatever it is. So just want to let you know that, but mainly the channel is going to be about coding concepts, tutorials. So yeah, that's kind of like what the future of the channel is going to be. I'm really excited because coding's always been my thing. I've always had it. It's always been something that I've been interested about. Always just curious about like how the code works in the background, how, HTML, JavaScript, CSS, all that kind of stuff happens in the background. It's a great topic, and a lot of people, the thing that people don't understand is that AI is not going to take your job. AI, artificial intelligence, is going to make you more productive. Definitely, it might make you 20% more productive if you're a coder or a software engineer. So AI is going to help you. It's going to be, think of AI as like just a coding assistant, but it's not going to replace, millions and millions of software development jobs. I just don't see that happening in the near distant future. I just don't see that happening. It's going to make you more productive as a coder, as a programmer. I love these tools, and it's great for creating boilerplate code. What I like to do is just, if you really want to learn, you don't want to go down that coding tutorial rabbit hole. It's important. Okay, educate yourself, go through the tutorials and all that. But what's really worked for me is I'll go to, say, for example, Gemini, and I'll ask it, code me a weather app in CSS, JavaScript, and HTML. Okay, so it generates the code. What do I do? I study the code. Then I just simply study the code base for that particular app. And it's like, wow, that's where you really learn. Yeah, you need to understand the concepts as far as coding is concerned. You need to understand what functions are, what variables are, all that stuff, how compilers work, how to set up an IDE, understanding Node, NPM, Node Packet Manager. There's a lot of stuff to learn, but it's just about sitting down, getting in front of a computer, and just banging away at code. At the end of the day, and building projects and apps and applications that actually solve problems that make people's lives easier, simpler, better, and more convenient. That's what it's really about at the end of the day. So if you create an app, does your app solve a problem? Does it make that person's life simpler, easier, better? Does it help them? Does it solve a problem? You always have to think about that. It's not about your idea at the end of the day. It's not about your idea. It's not about it. It's really about solving a problem. Does it solve a problem? If you have the resources and the money, why not? Why even reinvent the wheel? So, for example, Salesforce, they are a CRM system. Can you make an app that's better than their CRM system? What weaknesses do they have with their CRM system? Can you make a CRM system that's better than theirs? And if you can do that, you can make a lot of money. So you're not reinventing the wheel. You're like, okay. So, for example, funnel builders, ClickFunnels. Okay, you see what they offer a lot with their funnel builder. Can you make a funnel builder that's better? At the end of the day, you're not reinventing the wheel. Hey, there's a market for funnel builders out there. People are spending a lot of money every single month to use a funnel builder of some sort. Why reinvent the wheel? So as I was saying, basically the point of this video is to tell you it's a rebranding of the channel. I'm going to be talking more about coding related topics and stuff like that, because that's kind of the thing that I'm passionate about and the thing that I love. So, and really just about building web apps, scalable web applications, and obviously I'll still teach people how to market their applications, their business, whatever it is that they want to market and sell. So I'm still into all that kind of stuff, like lead generation, content creation. Yeah. This is Tom Radcliffe. I hope you like my video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts about the whole rebranding. I'm really excited. I'll talk to you later.